Ideals are like stars. We never reach them, but like the mariners of the sea, we chart our course by them. U.A.E. Exim Pte Ltd is part of a group of companies engaged in various businesses including sales and purchase of ships for recycling, international commodity trading, ship recycling, processing and trading of scrap metals, timber and logs trading, etc. U.A.E. Exim is one of the pioneers in recognizing the need for a responsible green ship recycling to ensure that end-of-life ships are recycled in a responsible manner by properly addressing issues of proper training, safety, occupational health, skill upgradation, welfare and environmental protection. The group has roots in ship recycling in India for over 3 decades and has a strong presence in the metal recycling markets in India. Over the last decade, U.A.E. Exim has also developed its expertise in the international business of cash buying of ships for recycling. Just like the mariners in sea, we set out to chart our course well ahead of our competitors to become end-to-end solution provider for green ship recycling. We understand that the long-term sustainability of ship recycling business lies in safe, sustainable and environment-friendly recycling of ships. A symbiotic relationship between the ship owner, cash buyer and ship recycler is what is required. Knowing the importance of green ship recycling and responsibility it places on ship owners to recycle their ships in a safe and environmentally sound method, we have stepped up our role by offering a green recycling program to ship owners that is compliant with Hong Kong Convention 2009, HKC, as well as with various national and international regulations as applicable. U.A.E. Exim is associated with top-quality, safe and sustainable recycling yards located in Alang, Gujarat, India. The main recycling yards associated with U.A.E. Exim are Plot number 8, Ghasi Ram Gokul Chand Shipbreaking Yard. Plot number 24, Alang Auto and General Engineering Company Private Limited. Plot number 77, Ashwin Corporation. Our associate yards have been leaders in green ship recycling in India and have been continuously striving to improve their infrastructure, safety, health and environment policies to get the best possible results. The yards have been planned and designed to ensure that the negative impact on the environment is minimized. Pollution and contamination associated with ship recycling is contained within limits. We have comprehensive solutions for green ship recycling that include supervising the yards, preparation of ship recycling facility management program, preparation of IHM and identification of hazardous material on the vessel, cleaning and removal of such identified material, well-documented recycling process, reporting of the recycling of the vessel. The main focus of green ship recycling is on improvement of environment. The cutting of the ships is done on impermeable concrete floor to avoid any oil seepage. there is a separate area for oily and non-oily blocks. All the oily blocks are collected and cleaned, and their oily bilge water is collected in underground tanks and disposed as per norms. Proper care is taken during the cutting and dismantling process to ensure there is no contamination either in sea, intertidal area or ground in the main yard. The impact on the environment is lower by using solar power. Health and safety.
फायर लगने के लिए आवश्यक चीज कौन-कौन सी हैं?
All the workers are trained prior engaging them in the yard. Continuous training is provided to workers using the latest audio-visual technology and training material. To create safety awareness, a safety supervisor is always there to guide them.
अपने प्लॉट में दरिया किनारे आग लग गया है।
Workshops, mock drills related to firefighting, first aid, and emergency preparedness are conducted on regular basis.
फायर फाइटिंग टीम में फोन किया जाता है, फटाफट घटनास्थल पर जाइए।
Special teams are formed for firefighting, safety evacuation, medical training, and other areas of work. All workers are given personnel protective gear, and it is mandatory to use them to enter the operational areas. Periodic health checkup is conducted for workers involved in ship recycling. Sensitive work area is barricaded, and safety work harness is provided to them while working on heights. All machinery, cranes and winches are periodically checked and certified for safe operation. Hazardous waste management. Inventory of hazardous material (IHM) is prepared based on the IHM given by the ship owner or by independent experts at recycling facility. A ship-specific recycling plan is prepared outlining the process of removal of oil, asbestos, bilge water, etc. from the ship. The wastage that is collected is stored in special collection areas and then sent to approved waste handling sites for disposal. Quality. All the yards are certified ISO 9001, ISO 14000, ISO 18000 and ISO 30000 from IACS classified agencies. The Statement of Compliance conforming to Hong Kong International Convention 2009 HKC and European Union Ship Recycling Regulation EU SRR for safe and environmentally sound ship recycling has been issued for all the 3 yards. What makes us different? Our strong governance culture ensures a transparent and truly green recycling process. Our supervision is independent of any bias or influences. We manage the ship recycling process from the perspective of all the stakeholders. ACE Exim also is actively engaged in cash buying of ships in major ship recycling markets in Indian subcontinent. We ensure both the ship owner and ship recycler get a fair value for their assets. We have done more than 400 ship purchases and have 100% success record in prompt and smooth conclusion. Trading of metal scrap has been our main business since the inception of the company. A major portion of recycled steel is supplied back to metal industry, thus saving a lot of resources and energy. We deal with both ferrous metal and non-ferrous metal scrap. We have separate team to handle timber trade, and with network of offices across Africa, Central America and Asia, we procure various types of timber from suppliers and ensure supply to the customer is flawless. We also recycle the ship propeller scrap in our own in-house unit in India and supply the propeller scrap to buyers worldwide.
Our vision is to be the most trusted cash buyer of ships for recycling. We also strive to become the leader in green ship recycling. We request ship owners, suppliers and customers to visit us in Singapore and also visit our associate yards in India and experience the difference firsthand.
Finally, we believe that just like a mariner of the sea who charts his course looking at star, for us, successful handling of a business deal with our counterparties is an endorsement of our commitment to our business policies and providing the right direction to our future business endeavors.